What if the fact that AI has replaced your job or will replace your job is the best thing that's ever happened to you? Why? Because maybe now it's time to find your peak identity, your driving purpose, your compelling vision, your sabotage strategy turned around to be unstoppable as an entrepreneur. You don't actually need more strategy. You need to know who you are, what you're up to, the value you give, and your direction, your vision. So if you want to know your success blueprint, click on the link below.